Do you want your learners to watch training videos without skipping them? With Mandatory Watch in Zoho Learn, you can make that happen. Start by choosing an existing course from the Learning module. Click the plus icon to add a lesson. Enter the lesson name and hit Create. To add a video lesson, click Add Content and select Video from the lesson types. Choose Upload Video, because Mandatory Watch can only be applied to videos you upload yourself. Select the video from your device and wait for it to finish uploading. Once uploaded, click Manage to access the video settings. Now, turn on the Mandatory Watch toggle and click Publish. That's it. You've ensured your learners cannot skip through the video. Curious to see how it works? Play the video in Course Preview. Try fast-forwarding or skipping ahead, and watch Mandatory Watch in action. Mark important video lessons as mandatory to keep your learners fully engaged with the content. Thank you for tuning in to Zoho Learn. Have an idea or vision in mind? Share it with us, and we'll help turn it into a clear workflow with actionable next steps. DM us or comment below to get started. We will provide this in 1 hour.